that has the yellow lights. Did you get them?
I have all the dash lighting up Christmas tree. Well, it did anyway.
I'm still thinking in all-wheel drive.
Yeah, the all-wheel drive should pop up in a second too. And then when you brake, lights finally popped up. Does it do it again?
So the brakes
So after the lights pop on, it smooths out.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so I get down here with you to get this hub off. What you're gonna need to do, this is where your 13 wrench comes, or your 13 socket comes in, preferably for your 1/2-inch drive. There's 3 bolts on the back end of this. There you can start to see the other one, and there's one up top. If you're looking at it, if I can get the sun out of it. You have, well, it's just going to be a crappy video, I'm sorry, but this is how it is. You have one at the top and 2 at the bottom. This here is for your, you have to take these 2 out too. Right here. This is for your brake caliper. That's what holds them on. Those are an 18. 13 in there, both of those. So we'll get these bolts off. And then what you're going to have to do is put your wheel back on and let it down so you can get that axle nut out, unless you did that first. Now that you know about it, you have to pull that off of there. Just get these bolts that I just showed you all the way off, and then I'll get at you on the next step. Alright, so once you get that all loose, what you want to do is go around and just kind of give this a couple jerks to make them nice and tight. Just snug, like that. And then I'm going to get this axle nut out. But you want to get it on the ground first. And once you get that axle nut out, I'll get back at you. Alright, well, for this part you'll need somebody to help you. Go ahead and turn left. What you'll do, take this block of wood. See if I can do this with one hand here. I don't want to hurt myself. Put it, make sure you get it against the rim, not the tire. Make sure you get it against the rim. Turn slow, back out of the way. And then we'll put it against this thing. And you get out of the way, and this should pop. Keeps turning. I think it went. Turn some more, see if it went. Didn't go yet. We'll do it again. Alright, turn back the other way. Go. There it went. Now our wheel's loose. Alright, that's good. Alright, well the freaking wind's blew my shot. Freaking, I guess that's what happened. Knocked the daggone camera off the freaking stand. So I missed the whole freaking thing. And the time lapse me putting all this back together, but that obviously didn't happen. Anyway, enough of my griping. According to the interwebs, I didn't look this one up. You can look up the actual nut, or I'll look it up and put it in here. That's what I'll do. I'll look it up and put it in here. If I can't find it, I'll let you know. According to the interwebs, the lug nuts are approximately 120 foot-pounds. So there you go. So ours is still in the code because of this. Here you can see this band around here. This is where your sensor reads. Goes like this, and it reads that. Now you can see why it was throwing the code. This one got broke.
Service the Billy track.
Well,
Oh, bear went out. I caught it.
just went out too.
Yep.
So good. Reset it. So that looks like it fixed the problem.